In this video, I will show how to calculate edge in Microsoft Excel. So you can use this formula to calculate edge. Type here equal det, now DIF, then opening bracket, now select DOB, comma and type today. Then double click on this today, closing bracket, double quote, year. So just write here Y, then double quote, closing bracket. So this is the formula you can see here, det DIF, DOB cell reference, comma today, then press enter. We have some problems here, so we need to correct it. So DIF today, and here we need the comma. Now press enter. Now drag and drop. Same formula we can use here for month. So just similarly you type and Y, so you have to type month. I will show you. Det DIF, before it equal sign, opening bracket and DOB cell. Now comma today, select it, closing bracket, comma, double quote, month. So type here M, double quote and closing bracket, press enter. So this way you can calculate month, and also you can calculate days. Same formula, det DIF, opening bracket, then DOB cell, comma today, select it, then closing bracket, comma, double quote D, double quote, closing bracket, then press enter. So this is the way guys you can calculate edge in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.